So when you get to codeacademy.com, it'll look something like this unless the website has changed. And what you need to do is, first of all, create an account. I wouldn't recommend signing in with maybe Google, but not Facebook. They'll annoy you. So choose to sign up with Google or with an email account, and then you get started. So then you would click on Sign In. And then what you'll do is you will sign in. So I'll pause and I'll sign in here. And once you're signed in, you'll see something like this. There are quite a few languages to learn: jQuery, JavaScript, PHP, Python, Ruby, and web projects. That's what we're going to be doing. Anyway, and the good thing about this is that it is interactive, and they tell you what the code should look like, and you type it up and they'll correct your mistakes, or at least they'll point out where they are. So what we will do first of all is click on Web Fundamentals, or that one, it's the same link, but I'll go for Explore. And here we are. This is the course. The first one is Introduction to HTML. So HTML basics, and then you build your own web page. And then lessons 3 and 4, and it's really very well structured. Covers CSS up to lesson 12. Okay, so you will click first of all HTML basics, and then read through the little flyouts that explain what you'll be doing. Each lesson starts here. Read the explanation, then follow the instructions below. If you get stuck, click on Hint. Next. You'll enter your code here in the code editor, and then what you'll do is click Submit, and your code will pop up on a screen. If it's wrong, they'll tell you it's wrong and suggest what you might need to do to correct it. So you'd read through the top part. You can see this part is I'll go back, HTML Basics #1 lesson. Then we go forward, and I'll put this away, there are actually 13 lessons to do. So every web page, you'd read through it. Here are the instructions. To the right we have a file. Change the text on line 2, the bit between strong and strong, to anything you like. Here is strong and /strong, and you type anything that you like, hit Save and Submit, and you'll see how it would look in a browser. Stuck? Get a hint. And they even tell you if you can't think of something to say. So you would save and submit, yabba-doo, and you get a badge just to start you off. And that's what it would look like in a browser. You could go view preview, you can go full screen. There it is. Back to editor. And when you're done, you start next lesson. Now I'm going to go back to the beginning, and I'm going to refresh, and you can see that we're on here, and you've done 1%, and that's going to keep building up. Here's another one. For instance, this one is continue. You're at 37%, and you get badges along the way. I've done HTML Basics 3, completed 50 exercises, and the important thing is that you need to log in, because this is your learning history, and this is what the grading will be based on, the amount of badges that you get through. I continue, and up I go. And that is basically Codeacademy. I think it's great. I've thoroughly enjoyed it, and I hope you do too.